Hello viewers, welcome. Let's solve this question under real number system using the BODMAS on fraction operations. So we know BODMAS with me bracket first, but before we start with the brackets and the off and all those things, we first of all need to change all mixed fractions to become improper fractions. So the first thing is that 2 will multiply 37, then we add 1 to it. So 2 times 30 will be 60, then this is 40, so we have 74 plus this 75. 75 over 2 divided by 5 over 9 of, in the bracket, 4 on 7, 1 on 5, minus 80 times 3, and that will be 240 plus 1, 241, still on 3. So now our mixed fractions are now into improper fractions. So we go to BODMAS, which says that bracket first. So we are going to solve the fraction in the bracket. So we can still maintain 75 on 2 divided by 5 on 9 off. Then in this we look at for our LCM, which is going to be 35. So we have 35, 7 into 35, 5 times. 5 times 4, that gives us 20. 5 goes there 7. 7 times 1 will be 7. So we still maintain everything. So now we pay attention to the bracket. We are going to get the answer as 27 on 35 as a single fraction without the bracket. So the off will now become a multiplication. So you are going to have 75 on 2 divided by 5 on 9 times 27 on 35. We still have minus 241 on 3. Now we are still solving off. We are not just saying that change the off to become multiplication and start with a different term, but we are going to solve the multiplication of the off. So we need to solve this. We have 75 on 2 divided by 5 on 9. Okay, let's solve it as a multiplication. So I think 5 can go here 1 and go here 7. 9 can go here 1 and go here 3. So 1 times 3, I have 3. 1 times 7, I have 7, minus 241 on 3. We did this not as a multiplication, as in jumping the division before multiplication, but we are doing this because we are solving off. If the question were to be given to us in this form, we will have solved the division first before the multiplication. Okay, so now let's see. We are now with division and subtraction, which obviously division will be solved first. So we maintain our 75 on 2. We change this to multiplication. We flip the fraction to become 7 on 3. So this multiply the top, this also multiply the down. But we can check for common term. We can see that 3 can go into 75. Let's complete this. 241 on 3. So 3 can go here, but 2 cannot go here. So we only use this 3 to cancel. And I'm sure once 3 go here, it goes into 7 1 times. Then it goes there 2 times. Remember that 1, which is 15. So we are going to have what? 25. So 25 will now multiply 7. So we have 25 times 7. We have 5, 3. That gives us 14. Plus that becomes 17. Then this is already gone. So we're left with 2. So the fraction becomes 175 on 2 minus 241 on 3. And that becomes our subtraction. So what do? We look at for LCM. In this case, our LCM will be 6. 2 will go here 3 times. So if it is 3 times, 3 times 100 will be 300 times this will be 240, 210. That is 2 times 7, 210. 2 times 5 will give us 15. So we have 525 minus. When 3 also divide 6, we get 2. So if 2 is multiplying this, they give you 482 as a multiplication of that. So now we need to subtract our numerators. It becomes 525, 482. I believe we get 3 here. We have 12, so we have 4, and this cannot go there, so we are left with 43 on 6, which we can still change into mixed fraction. 6 will go there, I think 7 times. Remember, 1 out of 4, 6. So in using the BODMAS, as in taking each of the term one after the other, we can be able to solve any question under fraction. Alright, I think the concept is clear. If you follow, like, and share. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.